Welcome to the world of artificial intelligence, where AI agents cover everything from smart systems to autonomous systems. But did you know there are different types of AI agents, each with unique capabilities? In this video, we will introduce you to the four main types of AI agents and explore how they operate. Agent is something that senses its environment and takes actions to affect it. It uses sensors to perceive what is happening and actuators to respond or make changes. Human agents, for example, the sensors are eyes to see, ears to hear, skin to feel. The actuators are hands to grab things, legs to walk, mouth to speak. Another example, robotic agent. In this, the sensors are cameras to see, infrared sensors to detect obstacles, and the actuators are motors to move arms or wheels, grippers to hold objects. Both human and robotic agents perceive their surroundings through sensors and act using actuators to interact with the world. The agent is made up of two key parts, the architecture and the program. The agent function is the rule that maps from perceived histories to actions. The simple terms, the agent function takes everything the agent has sensed and decides the next action. The agent program is the code or instruction that run on the architecture. For example, the formula P implies A star means that agent function F takes a list of percepts P star or everything agent has sensed and maps it to an action A, which tells the agent what to do. For example, in robotic agent, the architecture includes camera and motors, while the program decides what action the robot should take based on what it has seen. For human agents, the architecture is the body and the brain is the program that processes what you see and hear, deciding what to do next. Another one example, vacuum cleaner world. In this example, the percepts are the information the agent senses about its environment, while the actions are the possible responses the agent can take based on the percepts. The agent senses two things: a location where the agent is, example, location A or B, contents what the agent detects at the location, whether the area is dirty or clean. An example percept might be A, dirty, which means the agent is in a location A and the area is dirty. Based on the percepts, the agent can perform following the actions: left, right, set, and no operation. An agent is fully defined by its agent's function, which maps every possible sequence of percepts. The goal is to create an agent that behaves rationally, meaning it always makes the best possible decision based on the information it has. A rational agent is one that chooses actions to maximize its performance based on perception sequence, what it has sensed so far, knowledge of the environment, what it knows about the world, and outcome of its actions, decide for what it aims to achieve. For example, in the case of vacuum cleaner agent, if it senses A as a dirty, a rational action would be to suck and clean. If it senses A as clean and it is the only location, a rational action might be no operation. That means do nothing. Let us dive into the four main type of AI agents and discuss how they operate. Simple reflex agents. react based on current percepts, model-based reflex agents use an internal model for better decision making, goal-based agents plan action to achieve specific goals, and finally, utility-based agents evaluate actions based on the utility to maximize satisfaction. First one, simple reflex agents. These agents operate solely on the current percept without considering the history of past percepts. They respond to specific stimuli with the predefined actions using conditional actions rules, especially if-then rules. A simple thermostat that turns the heating on or off based on the current temperature is the example of simple reflex agents. Model-based reflex agents. These agents maintain an internal model of the world, allowing them to keep the track of the state of the environment and remember past actions and percepts. They use this model to make more informed decisions, enabling them to handle a wider range of situations than simple reflex agents. The example is a robot vacuum that remembers the layout of a room and where it has already cleaned, adjusting its actions accordingly. Goal-based agents. These agents have specific goals they want to achieve, and they can evaluate their actions based on how well they help achieve these goals. They can plan and choose actions that lead to their goals, considering the consequences of their actions and different possible states of the environment. For example, a chess playing program that evaluates potential moves to check at the opponent while considering multiple future scenarios. Utility-based agents. These agents have goals and measure how well different actions satisfy the goals by assigning utility value to outcomes. They aim to maximize their expected utility, making decisions considering the trade-offs between different actions and their potential benefits. For example, a self-driving car that evaluates routes based on safety, travel time, and fuel efficiency to select the best option. Thank you for watching.